Welcome to Bala Sir's YouTube channel. Before watching this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the red subscription button which you can see below. Now today we will be learning Maths for class 6th chapter 2 angle, and this will be our part 2 video, and we will be learning how to draw a construction, a geometric construction, how to draw an angle bisector. So let's see the video. This is a compass, protractor, set ruler, set square and divider. This you should know from the compass box. Now let's start to draw an angle bisector. How to draw an angle bisector using a compass. How to draw an angle bisector. Now for drawing an angle bisector, what all thing is required? The geometric construction. This is a compass, pencil, scale and protractor. These are the things required for drawing an angle bisector. Now let us draw the angle bisector. First, draw angle of 50 degree and bisect them. So first you have to draw an angle of 50 degree. So let us draw an angle of 50 degree. You can take any measure. Let's say I have taken a measure. I have taken 7 centimeter. Then using a protractor, you mark 50 degree. So I have placed the protractor here. Now 50 degree you have to measure from the below number which is given, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You should not take the above number. You should use only the below number. So 50 degrees here. I have drawn an angle which is of 50 degree. Now to draw a bisector, use a rounder, a compass. First you have to make an arc on both the sides. Take any measurement, form an arc on both the sides of equal measurement, then increase the length. Again, from the arc which you have made, from there form another arc here. From this side, same with the same measurement, form one more arc from this side. So when you form an arc, you get a point over here. When the two arcs join together, you get a point. Join this point and the vertex. Let us name it as A, B and C. Join this arc. In this way, you can draw a angle bisector. Another bisector is draw an angle of 115 degree and bisect them. So I will draw the another one. For this, you have to draw a line. Then take a protractor, mark 115 degree, as I already said, 115, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15. 115 is here. So using a scale, join this, name it as P, Q and R, mark it as 115 degree. Then using a rounder, make a small arc on both the arms of the angle, in arm PQ, in arm QR. Then increase the length. Again draw an arc on both the sides, one from this side, other from this side. Again the two arc makes a point. From this point joint from the vertex, join the arc. So this is called as an angle bisector of 115 degree. Let's draw the other one. Draw an angle of 80 degree and bisect them. Same method I am using it. You can take any measure. Now using a protractor, mark 80 degree, make a point first, then 80 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Mark it, then take a scale, join this, then after that using a compass, again same, mark an arc on both the side, then increase the compass, the length from here, make an arc from this side, make an arc. Again for this also we'll give the name as MNO. This is angle MNO. Now a point is formed here. Using this point and this vertex N, join this. Now this is 80 degree. See, you can see 40 degree. The half of 80 is 40 degree. So bisect means dividing the angle into two equal parts. We call this as a bisector. Now let us draw the another one which is 90 degree. Draw angle bisector of 90 degree and bisect them. Draw a line. Then using a protractor, mark this 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Then take a compass. First form an arc. Both should be an equal arc. Now from the arc, increase the compass. From the arc, draw another arc from one side and another arc from the other side. Again a point is formed here. Using a scale, join this point and this vertex. Let me name it as A, B, C. So this is angle bisector of 90 degree. Now as I said, bisect means half, that means dividing the angle into two equal parts. So 90 degree means it should be 45 degree. So let us check whether it is 45 degree. You can see here it's exactly 45 degree. You can see this 40, 50, in between 40 and 50, 45 degree. So 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. In this way, you can draw an angle bisector. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe it.